Hello and welcome. This time we auto-configure Firefox on Ubuntu, Linux. By default, Ubuntu uses the snap package of Firefox and it cannot use auto-config files. On Linux Firefox looking for the folder under user, lib/firefox where it reads configuration files, but Snap doesn't support this. So let's replace the snap package with the proper version and install Firefox ESSER. You can keep the snap version also. Installing Firefox ESSER happens from Mozilla Team repo, so add that and then install the Firefox package. Next, create a file called autoconfig.js where we tell Firefox what configuration file it looks on the startup. Last we create a file that is all configurations which we want to change on Firefox settings. So I want to disable password saving feature and change the homepage. Also here is remove commands. Let's check our Firefox. First check version that this is ESSER version. Where's the homepage? The homepage looks good, and what about the password manager? The password manager is gone also, good. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.